WhatsApp stickers, very important commodities on the WhatsApp ecosystem. I mean, depends on what you're using it for. But then, ever since WhatsApp introduced these WhatsApp stickers, the default ones on WhatsApp is something people don't regularly use, but people came up with modifying their own stuff, and then that's what most of us use. It makes conversations exciting and boring at the same time. I mean, depends on how you're using it, especially if you're texting a girl and she sends you a sticker, and you send back and she doesn't reply, she's not into you. Move on. I'm Delpy, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can restore your stickers in case you lose them. Stay tuned. Whatever. I'm so sweaty. So, like I said, WhatsApp stickers, most important commodity on the WhatsApp market at the moment. If you don't have a sticker in your WhatsApp gallery like was. So this video is not for anyone who has lost their stickers already, because I can't do that for you. I mean, if you've lost your stickers, this video is not yours. This is for those with stickers now and might lose them in the future. This is a preventive method to help you. I didn't bring the cure for your problem. So what you have to do is to first off make sure you back up your stickers. WhatsApp actually creates a folder in your file manager, and just as I was talking about folders, I remembered that our dear brothers from the iOS community do not have anything like a file manager to do this. So the iOS community is probably out. This is just for Android. I'm sorry, it's not my fault this time around. People just judge me because they feel like I'm more into Android than iOS. It's just because the things on iOS, unless you jailbreak it, you don't really get the fun out of it. You go to your WhatsApp folder, you try and then find the stickers folder right from the media folder in your WhatsApp folder on your file manager or in your file manager, and then you select that folder, create a backup of it. You can upload it to your Google Drive, or if you have an SD card in your Android mobile device. Again, this is why I'm talking about Android and not iOS. I mean, if any of you has seen an iOS device with an SD card, please prompt me, except for an iOS device that has an SD card and Google Play Store on it. I don't want that. You're going to get that as a backup tool for your file manager. I will recommend that you use a Google Cloud account like Google Drive, or we have Mediafire, we have Dropbox, we have other cloud servers that are there to help you host your files, to hold them permanent. And oh, talking about cloud servers, I made a video about, what did I make a video about? I made a video about making or backing up your stuff into the cloud and keeping them safe. It should pop up somewhere here or there, I think here. Once you try and then back it up, you watch the tutorial to show you how to back up that folder to your Google Drive account, which most Android devices have. So I would recommend you to use that. It just upload it to the drive, and then in case in the future you mistakenly format your phone, or you crashed your phone, or someone steals it, you can just go back to your Google Drive, download that folder, and then push it into the directory for where normally your stickers are. You'll be seeing it in the screen recording here. And then voila, you get your stickers back to show up in your gallery. I'm Delpy, and this has been it for the tutorial. I'll catch you guys in another one. Hopefully be bringing more videos daily. I'm just saying, maybe daily. But then, if that's not the case, I hope to catch you guys in another one. Stay safe. Corona is still out there. This is not the peace outside. This is for you to wear a nose mask. Peace.